Hi, today I'm running me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our smartphone. And now we should open Muviz search application. Click here to AID and select one from these available themes. Tap here to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of the theme, just select one from these backgrounds, click apply. If you want to change the music controls time, we can hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them. If you want to use the notifications from different apps to show the notifications on the AID screen, you should use the switcher by the same way as to show the date or just to turn it off, and the battery status we can show it always while they were charging or just don't show it. So now let's click to the X icon, switch AID to the settings, tap to always on display here, and we can here change the settings of showing time on the AID. So always while they were charging when we play the music on, so we can use these two features separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute to an hour. If you want to change the brightness level, you can make it so we can decrease or increase it. If you also here we can close the AID with the double or single tap to the lock screen. Here if you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can also close the AID with the fingerprint or on screen off. Also we can set the schedule of the AID, so from 5:30 p.m. for example to 1:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the AID during the calls, you should use also this section. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our T-Mobile device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.